it's me, and today we are just playing some Minecraft. Right now, I was being attacked by some weird monsters, and that's what we're doing now. We're battling those monsters. Mobs. What? Where are you?
I'm hitting her with the saddle. Oh, she's gonna kill me. Or he? Or she? Oh, I died.
Okay, wherever you are, I don't really care right now, because I am being attacked by really strong mobs that in 2 hits you can die. And that is not very good, you know.
But he has an armor at least.
At least? What the heck?
I don't have any armor.
Hey, Avenger, whatever. You can't. I thought that. Oh, right. I am still on game mode. Okay. / game mode S. Oh, I'm on creative, so pretty. Oh no, they're coming to get you. See, they are very.
Oh, there's one behind us.
Oh, that's not what I'm talking about. So / game mode S. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Vindicators. That's what we're fighting today. Oh god, I killed one. It gave me an emerald, which is cool. I killed another one, and I don't know what it gave me. And there's a zombie.
Okay.
How did I kill them so fast? That was weird. Here, I have 2 emeralds. That's cool. And 2 totems of undying. Maybe that's why I didn't die so fast.
Welcome to the treehouse. Sky in this valley. Sky in this valley. What's that?
Spelling means baby tree.
I'm going to get some chicken.
Oh god, I got another emerald. But it's so useless. Because I can't craft anything with it. You must die, Vindicator, or whatever your name is. Oh, finally you died. But you don't drop anything? Oh, right. I have some spawn Vindicators. I don't know why. This happened to me last time. What?
Oh, watch out, behind you.
What?
That jumps super high.
Oh. Try to kill it. Grab your sword. Why don't you ever use your sword?
I have a wooden axe. I don't have a sword.
Yes you do.
Where?
Oh, I don't know, somewhere in your inventory. Okay, I'm dying. I can't survive. And there's this weird monster.
I need to have steel in order for me to make myself a sword. Where can I get steel?
Just stay there. I'm gonna give you something. /KILL.
You killed?
Yeah, I died.
You killed yourself?
Yeah, / game mode. See. Okay, now. No. What? Okay, I do this. And yeah. Now, what I'm looking for is armor. Diamond armor. I'm gonna give you this. And I'm gonna give you this. And I'm gonna give you
Whoa, I'm having chest plates.
this. And I'm gonna give you this. No, put it all on.
How can I put it on?
Go to your inventory. And now see like that helmet thing?
Yes.
Put the helmet on that. And then, do you see like the thing that looks like a chest plate? That, and then the leggings, those like boot thingies. Put that on there, and the shoes. So Just drag it, drag it. That's not the helmet, those are boots.
No idea what you're doing with it.
Look at my screen. Just do it. So see this? You have to drag it to that face. And look. So, like, go to your inventory. There. And then, you go here.
Oh, okay, now I got it.
Yeah, there you go. So,
Thank you.
yeah, you can go back to your studio. Go, go, go.
Thank you, Mr.
Wait, no, whatever. So I'm not doing this yet because I'm gonna give you one sword, and it is a very good sword indeed. So where is it? So this sword, this is kind of not being fair because what?
Are you using cheat codes?
Yeah, kind of. I have an Altaria on because I want it. And it's not a bad word code. It's just cheat, not the bad word. Oh, okay. Here. Oh, how do you have that? Give that to me, please. I need it.
Uh-oh, I want you.
I'll catch you on fire.
Ah! Water.
Oh, that's not gonna get you away from your death. I can fly.
Okay, I'll give it to you. Okay, I'll give it to you. Okay. Oh, this guy's gonna kill us.
Use your diamond sword.
I don't have it yet. You haven't given it to me.
Oh, right.
Watch behind. Oh my God. It's on the floor. I think that you want it from me.
/KILL.
You died?
Somehow I did not.
There's a lot of people here like that.
I know. So I'm gonna look for armor stand.
They want to go. Oh, I think they're going up to the tree house.
Oh, kill them, cause I don't want. Huh? Okay, so.
You're gonna go for the chest.
So. E.
Oh, they're gonna go in the chest. Oh.
Okay, so I'm gonna
going up, really? I'm serious.
T/KILL.
I'm not kidding.
What? I can't die. Oh, right. I'm on creative, so that's why I can't die. Okay. I'm gonna grab.
They're gonna kill me.
He's on fire.
Why can't they kill me?
Come on, it's not good. Okay, so
You're a bad guy. Hey, you know what?
Flash
That armor thing you wanted?
game
You know where it is?
mode. No.
Let's go pick it up.
S.
I don't have it anymore.
Oh, that doesn't really matter because I have a new one. Cause you placed it.
So you got it?
Yeah, I have it. Ah!
I need a sword. What's the cheat code for a sword?
What? What are you talking about?
I don't have a sword. I want a sword like you.
Oh, right. Just stay in the treehouse where it's safe. This is a way better sword than mine, but it still cannot catch anyone on fire. So your fire safety. And I think I still have it. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna throw it at you, and you better catch it. It's on the floor. Oops. It's on the floor. Get it.
Thank you. I'm going to get it. Try to get it.
Okay, good.
Ooh, I have a sword
Don't, or I will kill you.
I'm going to kill you. Oh.
Okay, come on. Let's follow this path. Okay, let's follow the path down and kill those mobs before they get back to the treehouse. I'm gonna kill the cow first. It's on fire, and they killed it. Oh, it gave me some.
You want some brisket?
Oh wait! Since I killed it with fire, it did not give me raw beef. It gave me cooked beef. That's cool.
And it gives you better health, right?
I guess. Okay, it's nighttime. Not really, it's noon. But still.
It's like dusk.
Okay, so those mobs appear right after you get killed by them. But this is unusual because they're still here. Oh no, I'm gonna get killed. Kill them! Quick!
I'm trying.
Okay, oh dang it, I died. There's an emerald.
I tried to get it. I got it.
Okay, good.
I'm still pursuing. We're super strong, you know?
Yeah, I know. That's why I told you. 2 shots and you're dead. Oh, I just fell. Yeah, because I'm trying to rush down there so I can help you.
Now you're dead.
No, I'm not. So I'm gonna. This is such a great idea. I've never done this before, but I'm flying down. Ow. Okay, I think.
Wait, dude, this is like a zombie.
Oh no, there's an Enderman.
Where?
There's an Enderman. Hello, Enderman.
I think he's pushing me.
Ah, okay. It's on fire. It's on fire. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Ah. Where is it? Where did it?
I got it.
Ah.
I saw it too.
It's there. It's there. It's still there.
Like
Where is it?
Cat.
Yeah, I know. That's the thing that killed you in your treehouse in your world, remember? Yeah, it didn't really drop anything. What's this? Fire charge. That's weird. Okay, so I'm gonna hold this.
Ooh. Oh, I think I got this. Emeralds. I have a lot of emeralds.
Yeah, because you killed the Vindicators, and they give you emeralds.
Vindicators.
Oh no, there's one more. I'm gonna kill it so I can get an emerald.
I killed him. I don't know the emeralds.
He's still there on the pond, and he can't catch on fire because he goes back into the water. He catches on fire and then goes into the water. He didn't drop anything, and if he did, anyway, I don't think I could have collected it because.
Be careful. There's a guy here.
Oh, it's a zombie villager. What the? Hey, you're killing me.
Oh, really? Sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't want to do that. Did I kill you?
Not really, but you were trying to kill me though.
I was not trying to kill you. I was expecting somebody to kill me.
Whatever.
It's killing me again. Who's that?
Why is this tree floating? Oh no, the Vindicator!
Where is it?
Behind you! It's gonna kill you! Get away from my friend! That was mine. That emerald, that was mine, and that axe was mine. I think I collected it.
I don't have any emeralds.
I have 5 emeralds.
Sweet. You got it.
Okay, let's go back up.
I need to get some chicken.
You do?
Else, I'm going to die.
I'm gonna eat.
How do I eat it?
Just like press it and then you'll start eating it. I can't regen. First of all, you gotta grab it. No, like for a long time. No! What? Why are you changing it? Okay, good. Now get out of your inventory.
Okay, thanks for letting me. Just keep learning.
You didn't even eat it, you know. So I'm gonna go back up and I'm gonna wait for you to eat your chicken thing.
Okay, let's go home.
Yeah. So all I have to do is do this /KILL, enter, and I fall out of the world. Okay. I accidentally threw my sword. So what I'm trying to do is this with what? Okay, so I'm gonna fix it with this, and I can't. So let's fix it with fire protection. I can't. Okay, so I'm gonna fix it with another iron axe, but I can't. I'm gonna throw away all of my trash because I have a bunch of trash.
You know why I'm so slow?
Why?
I don't know. I'm asking. I'm super slow.
Oh, because you're crouching. You finally learned how to crouch. Wow. Good job.